Hi guys, and welcome to today's movie review for What a Man Wants. So I went to watch this film already seeing What Women Want with Mel Gibson, and I thought that was a brilliant movie. And I thought this may be just a cheap money grab on that particular movie, and yeah, it was, but it wasn't that bad. It was quite intelligent in the storytelling. Some of the things were obviously exaggerated for comedy purposes, but it was a good movie. Made me laugh in places, and certain places it was completely unreal, but it doesn't really matter. It's just a movie to make you laugh. Yeah, so the acting in it was actually pretty decent, apart from like some of the some of the sports stars. They were a bit flat, but that's the kind of thing you get out of them, really. They're not actors, they're not pretending to be actors. And that's probably one of its strengths. It knows it's got athletes in the movie and doesn't give them too much to do. Shaquille O'Neal was in the movie as well. But yeah, it was good. It was interesting. I like the fact that they added the psychic lady into the film, but obviously she had nothing to do with how um, Ali, who's the main actress or the main character, um, gets these powers of hearing men's thoughts. And I think it was very refreshing to see that, yeah, what women want and what men want is pretty much the same thing. And we all know that anyway. It's just that our everyday lives just get mixed up with like other distractions and what have you. So this is going to be a quick one. The acting in it was good. The music in it was really good. And I think yeah, I'd watch it again if it was on TV or something. I'd give it probably a 4 out of 5 stars. Yeah, 4 out of 5 stars is good. It's one of those movies you can just watch and just laugh. You can watch it with your friends. Some of your friends might not like it, but they'll still have a good time watching it, I think. And yeah, really good. So thanks for watching my review, and tune in next time. And until then, goodbye.